Myself Shania, and I'm continuing your IT. I'm your new educator. Relational database store the data in one or more tables, for example similar topic in one content. There are 5 types of table: 1. Column, 2. Rows, 3. Cell, 4. Degree, 5. Cardinality.
You all are familiar with above 3 topics: row, column and cell, but what about degree and cardinality? So, degree of a relation is the number of attribute of its relation scheme and cardinality of a relation is the number of tuple. So, now what is cardinality? It is a relationship or join, bridge between rows of one table to the rows of another table.